Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to temporarily disable Windows security on Windows 11. Windows security is a built-in feature that provides essential protection against malware, viruses, and other security threats. While it is an important tool to keep your computer safe, there may be situations where you need to disable it temporarily to perform certain tasks. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to turn off Windows security on Windows 11. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like button. To disable Windows security in Windows 11, right-click the Start button and select Settings. Click Privacy and Security, then on Windows Security. Next, click the Open Windows Security button. Under the Virus and Threat Protection Settings section, click on the Manage Settings link. Turn off the Real-Time Protection switch. Take note that if you do not turn on the real-time protection manually, it will automatically resume upon the next computer reboot. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that this tutorial has been helpful in resolving any issues you may have faced. If you found this video informative, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorials and tips on Windows 11 and other tech-related topics.